What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm just gonna do a little curly hair routine, I guess. So here are the products I use. This is like the Smooth Solutions, the Ion brand. It's really good. And then I also use Miss Jessie's. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do like a little scalp massage with this oil, this spray treatment with that goes along with this brand. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, just a little scalp massage, that's all. Okay, so now of course I'm gonna hop in the shower and start the shampoo process or whatever. Well, right now I'm just putting water in my hair to get it kind of wet. So now it's time to shampoo. So I'm going to use this Smooth Ion Solutions shampoo, which works really well. I like when shampoo like makes my scalp feel kind of foamy and like gets it really clean really easily. So it actually in reality takes me a while to really wash my hair. So we're just going to skip forward a little bit while I actually wash it. So now I'm using the conditioner, the Moisture Solutions by Ion. And this also works really well. For some reason the pump doesn't work though, I don't know why. So I just take the top off and squeeze it out. And I really use a lot of conditioner, like a lot. So now it's time to really start sectioning off my hair and really detangling my hair. So with the help of the conditioner, I'm just sectioning off and detangling my hair with my fingers. No, I don't use brushes because I feel like that takes too much out of my hair. I used to use a Denman brush, but my fingers just work so much better. Also, just a tip, if you don't want to like clog your drains, you can just put the hair that you like shed from detangling and put it on the wall. And it doesn't clog the sink at all. I've learned this back in my day because I've clogged a lot of drains, so sorry mom. Okay, so after I got out of the shower, I have now washed out the shampoo and conditioner and my hair is pretty defined. So this shows you that it's a pretty good product. So next it's time to define the curls, which is literally gonna take forever. Okay, so I'm just taking this Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls and using that to define my curls. I know I had in the beginning the Ion Curl Shaper Cream, but honestly, it's terrible. It doesn't work for my hair at all. So I use this instead. It makes my hair really soft and defined as a result. I'm also applying a little more moisture in my hair. So I just have a little spray bottle that you can't really see, but it just has conditioner and water in it and a little bit of oil. And it just helps to just refresh my hair a little bit because it got a little dry from just sitting there with no product. But yeah, I'm gonna speed this up so you can just watch and yeah. Now it's time to do the top part of my head, which is usually the driest part. So I really hate doing this part because it takes forever. But I'm just gonna split this into like 4 sections. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that Jelly Soft Curl stuff on each section so that it doesn't look really dry and then it looks really defined like the rest of my hair.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now I'm basically done with my hair. I'm just gonna finish the front, add just a little bit more gel. And this actually isn't really a gel. It doesn't feel like a gel at all. It just feels really light, which is why I guess your hair is fluffy afterwards. I'm finally done with my hair. I'm just gonna set it just like you set your makeup, you set your hair. So this is the one and only argan oil spray treatment for instant shine and frizz control. So of course I couldn't end this video without showing you how I slay my edges. I mean, I don't really slay it that much in this video, but I just wanted to, just a slight. So this is the Silk Elements Extra Strength Edge Gel with olive oil and shea butter. And of course I'm using a toothbrush because like it's old fashioned and I don't have an edge tamer brush yet. So bear with me.